The Ten Commandments of Computer Ethics. Thou should not use computer to harm other people. Number 2. Thou shalt not interfere with other people computer work. Number 3. Thou should not snoop around other people's computer files. Number 4. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. Number 5. Thou should not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid. 7. Thou should not use other people's computer resources without authorization or proper compensation. 8. Thou should not appreciate other people's intellectual output. 9. Thou should think about the social consequence of the program you are writing or the system you are designing. 10. Thou should always use a computer in ways that ensure consideration and respect for your fellow humans.